You gonna wake up with the same tomorrow.
Welcome back, lovelies, to yet another video. Okay, so I am going to be using the Luster's S Curl Extra Strength. Okay, texturizer today. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit what the kit contains. Okay, so it has the S Curl Texturizer Cream, the Color Alarm Neutralizing Shampoo, the Styling Gel, the Styling Spray, the pink oil moisturizer hair lotion, and also the S curl instruction guide, of course. Okay, so before you proceed in doing this style, you are going to need, okay, medium or large comb, okay, preferably disposable gloves, towel, and also a timer. All right. So for this time, guys, I did use the pink lotion for his hairline instead of the Vaseline. But to me, I mean, my preference, the Vaseline works way better than the pink lotion, just for me, okay? So next time I'll definitely be using the Vaseline, but you know, I just decided to give the pink lotion a try. Okay, so what I'm doing is just applying that texturizer now with that medium size comb through his hair. And you don't need to mix this texturizer with a comb or spatula or anything. You just need to apply it directly on the hair, and you need to work as fast as possible, okay, because you don't want it to start burning your clients, and you know, the texturizer is not fully applied on the hair. And what I'm going to do is make sure that texturizer is hitting every part of the hair. Make sure that texturizer is on every strand of the hair, along the hairline and the back of the head, everywhere. Okay, make sure you're parting through the hair to make sure that it is hitting every strand of that hair. Okay, because when you wash it out, you want to make sure that it is evenly distributed throughout the hair. Okay. Okay, lovelies, this is only a friendly reminder. If you have reached this far in this video, please hit that subscribe button down below and join the Miss Kimmy K family. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this channel with your friends and family, and remember, we are on a road to get Miss Kimmy K to 50K. Okay, so yes, please share this video with your friends and family, and yes, feel free to drop a comment down below. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna emphasize a little bit more. Okay, so this is, of course, a comb through texturizer. Okay, so you can just apply the texturizer on your client's hair and just leave it and let it do the work. You got to, of course, comb through that texturizer throughout the hair. Okay, you got to make sure that texturizer is hitting every strand of hair to make sure that you get the best result from this product. Okay. Okay, lovely. So as you can see, I'm using that white tooth comb and just combing that product from the root to the ends of his hair to make sure that that texturizer is hitting every strand of hair. It's evenly distributing throughout the whole hair, okay? Because when we wash it out, we want to make sure that everything is texturized, okay? Make sure that you're getting the sides, the front part of the hair. As you can see, every part of his hair has that texturizer, okay? Okay, lovely. So I did leave this texturizer in just a little bit longer as to the last one, in which I left like 4 to 5 minutes. For this one, I did leave it in for about 15 minutes because he wasn't complaining about any burns. I guess he, make sure prep himself to make sure that he didn't irritate his scalp, because, we just wanted to see if there if there would be like a big difference in terms of the timing. Okay, so we did experiment that a little bit, but it wasn't much of a huge difference, guys. But it all depends on the type of hair that you have, okay? So if you have fuller, coarser hair, the time you should have this texturizer in a bit longer, okay? But if you have fine hair, you don't need to have this thing in for too long, because trust me, it's gonna burn you, okay? So you don't have to have it in for such a long time, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm now going in with the neutralizing shampoo to make sure that all that texturizer is fully removed from his hair, okay? So what I really love about this brand is, even if you're a beginner, okay, you feel comfortable in using this product, because when you have a pink lather, it shows you. If it's pink, that means you still have texturizer in your hair. But if it's white, you are good to go. So I'm going to show you the pink lather that you want to make sure is fully removed from your hair. So just to be on the safe side, guys, I would say wash your hair out maybe like 3 times at least, okay? Okay, sir, tell them your experience. The washing process, the shampoo.
You ever had boiling water drop on you? That's what it felt like up here. Okay.
Do you recommend?
Like, comment, subscribe, because I burnt half of my head for this. Okay? See this hair here? It all came off because of it. So she didn't take it out in time. I just...
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh.
But it worked out. It looks good.
Listen, sir, don't become blaming me, okay? You fell asleep with the texturizer here. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. He wasn't sleeping, okay? But what I'm doing now is just applying that styling spray on his hair, just prepping it, massaging it fully through his hair, and then right after I'm gonna apply that styling gel, okay? The gel, however, it's not like the same consistency or the same like texture as the one in the regular kit. It's like very thick. It was thick as maybe like jam. Yes, it was like so thick and sticky, like ugh. But I guess the reason for that is just for you to have the look a little longer. So yeah. So now applying that extra thick gel, I'm working it through in his hair, making sure that it's evenly distributed throughout his hair. So I'm going to use my comb to make sure to start building up those curls, okay? So I'm just going to use my fingers and also the comb to accumulate those curls. Okay, so if you need like a curly style, you use a styling lift in terms of your comb. You lift the hair, you use your fingers to like work the curls in circular motion. But for a wavy style, you just use the comb and comb through the hair to your desired style. Okay. So his hair length was a little bit long, but I was thinking of cutting his hair down a bit more. Um, but I'm like, you know what? Let's leave it just like this. You know, this is a different look. It suits him. So I just use the scissors and just clip away any of those longer hairs just to make sure that everything just look uniformed. Okay, so I'm just clipping away those any straggly long hairs that's just peeking through his hair. Okay, lovelies, we are coming to the final stretch of this video. I'm just doing my final touch-ups and stuff. Yes, just to make sure that the look comes completely together. Okay, so yes guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another weekly video from Miss Kimmy K. And remember, yes, we are getting Miss Kimmy K. We are on a road to get Miss Kimmy K to 50K subscribers. Okay, so please, yes, subscribe down below if you are not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family, and also share your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think of this whole process and everything. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Okay, and remember, this is the Luster's extra strength kit. Okay, let me know if you're gonna try it out. Okay, and please share this video, like this video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.